Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 58. And topic for today is ability to withstand pain. Recently, I read a quote from Alex Ormozai. It says, if you're growing, you will have growing pains. If you're shrinking, you will have shrinking pains. If you're plateaued, you will have plateauing pains. So, whatever stage you are in life or in business, there is going to be pain, my friends. Rafa Nadal is a great example of playing tennis with pain and still winning Grand Slam. One of his famous quotes is, suffering is an inevitable part of being a champion. Okay. So, why are we talking about this in the Monday Morning Motivation? So, friends, when this is a beginning of the year and we may start some new initiative either in business or in our personal life. So what we have to realize is when we start any initiative, there is going to be some pain in order to achieve that. So when we realize this and accept this, then when we face any hardship in order to achieve our goal for that particular task, then it will be easy for us to process that pain. So before initiating any initiatives, let us also plan that there will be pain and what is the threshold we can bear that pain. What are the problems that's going to come and up to what level I can bear that pain. If we have this clarity before we start that initiative, then there is a high probability that we will continue that initiative and bring it to a logical closure. Thanks for listening. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. Wish you all again a wonderful, happy New Year 2026.